Chapter 13 Geometrical Shapes. Learning objective. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to 1. Know about different types of lines. 2. Identify solid and plane figures. 3. Tell the faces, edges and vertices of solid and plane figures. Warm up. Count and write. Squares, circles, triangles, rectangles. Teacher's note. Apprise the student that a point has no size. It means it has no length, breadth or height. Point. There are different types of lines. A simple dot is known as point. Horizontal lines or sleeping lines. Curved line, slanting line, vertical lines or standing lines. Count the number of different types of line in each of the following figures. Horizontal lines 1, vertical lines 2, slanting lines 3, curved lines 1, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanting lines, curved lines. Quick tip: a line is a set of points. It has no beginning and no end. Plane figures. Vertex is the corner of a plane figures. Plane figures has only one face. Sides are the straight lines used in forming a plane figures. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All the 4 sides of a square are equal. Vertex side. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Circle. A circle is round in shape. It has no side and no vertex. An oval has flat egg-like shape. It has no sides and no vertex. Count and write. Count and write the different shapes in the figures given below. Circles 24, squares 6, triangles 18, rectangles 6, ovals 2. Solid figures. Solid figures has many faces. Cube. Cube looks like a dice. Some of the examples of cube are shown are: a cube has 8 vertices. A cube has 12 edges. A cube has 6 flat faces. Each face of a cube is a square. Cuboid. Cuboid looks like a brick. Some of the examples of cuboid are shown below. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 12 edges. A cuboid has 6 flat faces. Each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. Sphere. Sphere looks like a ball. Some of the examples of sphere are shown below. A sphere has one curved face, no edge and no vertex. Facts to know: every point on the surface of a sphere is the exact same distance from the center. Cylinder. Cylinder looks like a drum. Some of the examples of cylinder are shown below. A cylinder has no vertex, 2 edges and 3 faces, 2 flat and 1 curved. Think wisely. A. Tick the figures having more vertical lines in each set. Answer: do it yourself. Mental maths. 1. Answer the following in one word. A. Name the shape in which all 4 sides are equal. Square. B. In which shape are opposite sides equal. Rectangle. C. Name the solid shape which has one curved surface and 0 edges and vertices. Sphere. D. Which shape looks like a drum. Cylinder. E. What is the other name for vertical lines? Standing lines. Maths lab activity. Match the balloons with right shape. Steps. You see me in a tube light and piece of chalk. 3D shape with exactly one face. Can trace me with the help of bangle. Your favorite Ludo dice is a copy of mine. A shape with 4 equal sides. I am the shape of an egg. I have 8 faces but not all same.